We've just dropped the boss off here at anchor outside Rome, and now we're getting ready for sea. Rosita, our tender, has just taken them ashore. When the guys came back, it was time to say our goodbyes. Rosita will be heading her own way towards Croatia, while we start making our way back to Mallorca. We won't see them again for about 3 weeks. So from here, we go separate ways. 2 different journeys begin.
See you in Croatia! See ya! Alright! Not a bad place to chill out after a big meal. That's just had dinner. It's so calm. This is what we're gonna have for the next, the next day or so until we get to our destination in Mallorca. Alright guys, time to go to bed. Morning. It's time for our 4 a.m. watch. Let's make some coffee, mate. This is the beauty of doing the 4 to 8 watch. You get to see both sides of the day. Sunrise in the morning and sunset in the evening. Right now we're heading west, so the sun is rising behind us. And to be honest, that's not a bad thing, because once it gets stronger, at least it's not right into your eyes. Opposite from our usual. Good morning. Let's check on Mario. What is he? Look at him.
How are you, man? You good?
Morning.
Working. How are you
After
doing?
what?
Good. Thanks for messaging saying that.
What happened?
No, it's just a bit of stuff.
You've been spying on us?
Yeah.
In the middle of the passage back, we had one of those rare moments where the sea was almost completely calm. From the outside, it probably looked like we just stopped for a swim. But the real reason we stopped was not for swimming. That morning, we felt a heavy vibration coming from the propellers. Straight away, we knew something was not right. Because the sea was so calm, we decided to stop and have a proper look. The guys went in to check the propeller, and sure enough, there was a big bunch of old lines wrapped around the port side prop. Looked like part of an old fishing net. Luckily, they managed to cut everything free, and after the problem was sorted, the mode changed completely. What started as a small worry in the middle of the sea turned into a quiet swim break and a bit of celebration. Sometimes on passage, the sea gives you a problem, and sometimes, if you're lucky, it also gives you the perfect conditions to fix it. Alright guys, we're on watch again. We just took over from Korea and Josh. So it's quite warm, so nice weather. Gonna be on bridge watch for the next 4 hours. But here we are, first traffic of the day. We got loan. Korea loan is CPA of
almost half a mile. No, it's half a mile, and then 4 minutes. They're towing their tender with them. So, well, about hell, I'll get my camera with a bigger zoom. We saw a lot of turtle. Oh my god, are you making rice? Are you making rice or mashed potato?
No. No, I'm not making this. This is for another day.
You make me excited, you crazy bastard.
No, it's too heavy, man.
Yeah?
We need something lighter.
Alright. No problem with me. Alright guys, we're slowing down because we're gonna go try catch some fish, and then we have a Thanksgiving ceremony from our skipper to the 3 brave crew we have on board.
Good evening everybody and welcome to the award ceremony. I'd like to call Rodrigo Orozco.
Yes sir.
As captain, I would like, it gives me great honour to award you this bravery award for great bravery and a new title. On one knee please. Rodrigo Orozco, you are now an officer of bravery. Oh!
Thank you, sir.
1 second.
Wow.
1 second.
What you got? Fancy knife for cutting more lines for in the prop.
Thank you, Captain.
Whoa!
I call upon Mario Nevada.
Navida!
Chinese Navida. Mario Nevada, it gives me great honour to present you
Later that day,
a bravery
we
award.
decided this kind of bravery deserved a proper award ceremony. So right there on the aft deck, we made it official. 3 brave crew members promoted on the spot. Officers of the bravery. Of course, it was all just for fun. But after jumping in, cutting those lines, and saving the day, I think serve it.
I now call upon Joshua Garrard. It gives me great honour to award you, bestow you an award of bravery. Please kneel. Officer of bravery. Set yourself free.
Oh yeah!
That ends the ceremony. Thank you very much, everybody, and congratulations, officer of.
Hopefully we'll catch something big with this one. this is marlin, marlin bait. Oh.
Too big?
No, this is good. It's good.
Hello.
Good morning, guys. We are on our last 3 hours of our watch, but it's gonna be
We are arriving in the next 3 hours. Ariel is happy right now. Morning. Morning guys. Beautiful. Sun is shining and we are getting closer. This is what? Southeast of Mallorca. Sun just come up. Beautiful. Beautiful weather, man. And just like that, Mallorca is in front of us again. After leaving Rome at anchor, saying goodbye to Rosita, and making our way across the sea, we are finally on our last approach back to the dock. This passage had a little bit of everything. A quiet goodbye, calm water, a problem with the propeller, a swim in the middle of the sea, and a few good laughs along the way. But now the trip is coming to an end. The lines are ready, the crew are in position, and the boat is slowly making her way back home. No big ending, just the sound of the engines, the crew working together, and the feeling of coming safely back alongside. And sometimes that is enough.